In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how the platform works from the moment you arrive on the website all the way to scheduling automated campaigns, managing media, tracking performance, and much more. We're starting on the homepage, and right away, you'll notice that Aflow Social isn't trying to overwhelm you with flashy animations or unnecessary distractions. Instead, the message is simple. Create content faster, automate repetitive work, and spend more time growing your business instead of managing uploads manually. Now let's sign in and see what happens behind the scenes. The login process is clean, familiar, and secure. After entering your email and password, the platform immediately performs another security check using two-factor authentication. This extra verification step helps protect every connected social account, ensuring that only authorized users can access publishing tools and automation settings. Once the verification code is entered, we're taken directly into the dashboard. The first thing you'll notice is how organized everything feels. Instead of searching through multiple pages for important information, the dashboard immediately gives you a complete overview of your workspace. You can instantly see scheduled campaigns, today's publishing activity, failed jobs that may need attention, and your remaining AI credits. Within just a few seconds, you already know exactly what's happening across your entire account. Let's begin exploring the actual workspace. The sidebar acts as the control center for everything you'll do inside Aflow Social. We'll start with accounts. This is where every connected Facebook page and Instagram business account is managed. Rather than simply listing account names, the platform continuously monitors their connection health. Green status indicators confirm that your access tokens remain active and your automated campaigns are ready to publish successfully. Instead of uploading the same files repeatedly, Aflow Social connects directly with Dropbox, allowing your existing folders to become part of your publishing workflow. Below that, you'll also find advanced developer settings. These options are especially valuable for agencies, developers, and businesses managing multiple brands because they allow custom OAuth credentials and personalized authentication settings. Whether you're building your own ecosystem or offering services to clients, these controls provide the flexibility needed for larger deployments. Now that everything is connected, let's move into one of the most important sections of the platform, the media library. Think of this as your central content hub. Every image, video, story, reel, carousel, and reusable asset stays organized here, eliminating the usual chaos of searching through random folders across different devices. Opening the library immediately presents categorized folders, making it incredibly easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Inside the Images folder, we can already see synchronized media that's ready to use. Since everything has been imported from Dropbox, there's no need to manually upload assets every time a new campaign is created. Your content stays organized while remaining instantly accessible whenever inspiration strikes. Returning to the folder view, we can also explore dedicated folders for carousel slides and other specialized content types. Since these folders are designed specifically for different publishing formats, organizing large content libraries becomes much easier as your business grows. Whenever new files are added to Dropbox, now let's create something. After selecting images from the media library, each slide can be arranged into the exact order you want your audience to experience. Rearranging the sequence is effortless, making it easy to perfect the visual flow before publishing. Once saved, the carousel becomes a reusable asset inside your library, meaning it can be scheduled again later without rebuilding everything from the beginning. This simple feature saves an incredible amount of time for creators who regularly publish educational posts, product showcases, or storytelling content. Now that our content is ready, it's time to put automation to work. We'll head over to the Composer, where every campaign begins. Instead of presenting one overwhelming configuration page, the platform guides you through a structured workflow that keeps everything organized step by step. First, you'll confirm which workspace you're using, followed by selecting the social platforms where your content should appear. Because both Facebook and Instagram are already connected, publishing to multiple destinations only takes a single selection rather than creating separate campaigns for each network. Next comes choosing the content format. Since we already prepared a carousel, we'll continue with that option. The final configuration screen brings everything together. Here you decide where the content comes from. In this example, we'll simply select the carousel we just created, allowing us to reuse existing work instead of starting over, selecting a publishing date and time, and letting Aflow Social take care of the rest. Once the publishing date and time are selected, a single click is all it takes to hand the job over to Aflow Social. Every campaign waiting to be published appears here with its current status, scheduled time, and destination platforms. Whether you're managing a handful of posts or hundreds of automated campaigns, this dashboard gives you complete visibility over everything that's about to go live. Rather than manually checking every account, you can simply glance at the queue and instantly understand what's scheduled, what's completed, and whether anything needs attention. One of the biggest time-saving features becomes obvious when we return to the media library. Instead of selecting files one at a time for every campaign, entire folders can be scheduled automatically. Imagine maintaining a Dropbox folder where fresh content is added regularly. Rather than creating a new campaign every day, you simply schedule the folder itself and let Aflow Social publish new content automatically as your library grows. For businesses producing large volumes of content, this dramatically reduces repetitive work while keeping publishing consistent. The platform also gives you complete flexibility. If you prefer publishing a single media file instead of an automated folder, switching between content sources only takes a moment. You're never locked into one workflow, allowing every campaign to match the way you actually create content beyond publishing. Aflow Social also makes collaboration incredibly simple. Opening the Team Members section reveals a dedicated workspace for inviting colleagues, clients, or other team members into your account. Instead of sharing passwords or managing one account across multiple people, everyone receives their own invitation with permissions that match their responsibilities. Next, we'll visit the Billing Center. Here, you'll always know exactly which subscription you're using, how many connected accounts are available, and what resources remain. Upgrading is straightforward, with multiple payment methods available depending on your preference. Alongside traditional payment options, cryptocurrency support provides additional flexibility for users around the world. Everything is presented clearly without hidden complexity, making subscription management as simple as the rest of the platform. For users who enjoy recommending tools they genuinely use, the referrals and wallet section adds another layer of value. Every account receives a unique referral link and QR code that can be shared with others. Referral activity, clicks, registrations, and earnings are all tracked inside one dashboard, while withdrawals can be requested directly once the minimum payout requirement has been reached. Instead of using third-party affiliate systems, everything stays integrated into the same workspace. Whenever questions arise, help is never far away. The support center provides direct access to documentation, tutorials, frequently asked questions, and ticket creation. If you encounter an issue or simply need guidance, creating a support request takes only a few moments. Everything remains connected to your account, making communication much more efficient than searching through external websites or email chains. Another unique section worth exploring is services. Rather than stopping at software alone, Aflow Social also connects users with professional development services. Whether you need bulk AI image generation, custom automation, website development, mobile applications, or dedicated engineering support, those services are available directly from inside the platform. It's a practical addition for businesses that occasionally require technical expertise beyond day-to-day publishing. Now let's look at analytics, where all of your publishing activity starts turning into meaningful insights. Instead of relying on guesswork, the analytics dashboard presents your recent publishing performance through clean charts and visual reports. You can quickly review successful publications, overall success rate, posting activity across different platforms, and how various content types are being used. This makes it much easier to confirm that your automation is running smoothly while identifying opportunities to improve future campaigns. As your content library grows, these insights become increasingly valuable because they help you understand not only what has been published, but also how consistently your automation is performing. The queue remains available at any time, making it easy to revisit scheduled campaigns whenever changes are needed. Whether you want to monitor upcoming publications or simply verify that everything is running according to plan, your publishing pipeline stays only one click away. Moving into personal account settings, you'll find complete control over your profile information, preferences, and security options. Basic details such as your name, email address, and time zone can be updated whenever necessary. The contact page provides a simple way to reach the team for support, partnerships, or business inquiries. The About page explains the philosophy behind Aflow Social, focusing on reducing repetitive work through automation while helping creators and businesses manage content more efficiently. As you continue scrolling, you'll discover sections highlighting intelligent content creation, centralized media management, secure publishing, workflow automation, and enterprise-grade reliability. The FAQ section answers many of the most common questions new users have before getting started. Topics such as account connections, Dropbox synchronization, AI credits, scheduling behavior, and automation workflows are all explained in a simple, easy-to-understand format, making onboarding much smoother for first-time users. After seeing every major part of the platform, one thing becomes very clear. It's designed to become the central hub for your entire social media operation. Thanks for joining this walkthrough. We hope it gave you a clear picture of how simple social media automation can be when everything you need is brought together in one powerful platform.